Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Mzimanga Tumelo, a computer and electronics engineering student at the Central University of Technology. I have developed a project called the Automatic Pet Feeder. The Automatic Pet Feeder uses components like the float sensor, the weight sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, and two servo motors. Most importantly, it uses the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Here we have the project schematic, and then we have the project PCB. And here is the project block diagram indicating all the inputs and the output of the project. In this case, the inputs to the project are the supply, the real-time clock or the LDR sensor, the float sensor, the weight sensor, and the ultrasonic sensor. In this sense, all the sensors in the module are our inputs. Then our outputs are the servo motor 1, the servo motor 2. Servo motor 1 is going to be used as a food dispenser. Servo motor 2 is used as a water dispenser. Then our other important output is the LCD and the buzzer. And we also have the relay controlling two LEDs, the green and the red LEDs. Yet again, we have the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module 01, which takes all the data of the sensors to the cloud. This is the project flow diagram. Initially, we're going to initialize our pins, which is our inputs and our inputs. Initially, the project will determine if the pad is 10 centimeters, if the pad is 10 or less centimeters away from the water barrel. If there's water available in the tank and the pad is close enough, a specific amount of water will be dispensed into the water dispenser. Yet again, the pad will check if there's food in the food container and the force value or the weight value is greater than 50. Therefore, if there's no food in the food container, a warning signal will be sent by the red LED and also by printing a message on the LCD. But if that's an opposite case, there's food in the container and it's the actual time to feed the pet, it can either be in the morning, the afternoon, or the late evenings. A specific amount of food will be dispensed into the water dispenser, into the food dispenser. Therefore, if there's food in the food container, a green LED will turn on. For a quick project demonstration, initially this is how the project looks like. Supplying the circuit. It can be seen that there's no water in the water dispenser. Therefore, a warning signal is sent by sounding a buzzer, and also a warning message is also written on the LCD. Putting water in. It can be seen that right now there's water in the food in the water dispenser. For the case whereby the pad is close enough to the water to the water dispenser or the water barrel, the water barrel is going to dispense a specific amount of water into the water barrel, then closing. Now moving to the food dispenser. Like you see, it can be seen that there's no food in the food dispenser. It can be seen that there's no food in the food dispenser. And a warning message is written, replenish food or refill food. And the red LED is on to indicate that there's no food in the food dispenser. Soon there's food in the food dispenser. Soon there's food in the food dispenser. The force sensor will be used to determine the amount of food available in the food. And also, if it's an actual time to feed the pet using the light dependent resistor, the food dispenser will dispense a specific amount of food into the food bubble. Since we're using the ESP8266 to send data to the cloud, this part, it shows the float sensor values, the ultrasonic sensor values and operation, the LDR sensor operation, and also the force sensor operations, which are our main sensors in this project. Thank you for watching.